Good morning. Welcome to Qura Education System. Okay students, I am your English teacher and class L.K.G. Okay kids, today our topic is N series. N series. An give the sound of N. C says K. C says K. K and can. K and can. K and can. This is a picture of can. C-A-N can. C-A-N can. A-N give the sound of N. A-N give the sound of N. F says F. F and fan. F and fan. F and fan. This is the picture of fan. F-A-N fan. F-A-N fan. This A-N give the sound of N. A-N give the sound of N. M says M. M and man. M and man. M and man. This is the picture of man. M-A-N man. M-A-N man. A-N give the sound of N. A-N give the sound of N. P says P. P says P. P and pen. P and pen. P and pen. This is the picture of pen. P-A-N pen. P-A-N pen. A-N give the sound of N. A-N give the sound of N. V says V. V says V. V and van. V and van. V and van. This is the picture of van. Spelling of van, V-A-N, van. In this way, you will do your work. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.